Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and I'm back from a very short little vacation, houseboating with my family on Lake Shasta. And I'm really excited because I have 4 boxes to open, and I have to avoid Instagram and YouTube because I don't want to see other people's unboxings. I want to be surprised. So this is Witch's Moon. Comes in a mailer like this for discretion. Let's check it out because I'm super excited about this month's theme, which is supposed to be about La Luna. Oh, I'm so excited. Trust. I am safe, I am secure, in love I trust. My faith endures. Cool. Appropriate for things that have been happening at my house. Put that aside. Beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Oh man. I love it. Oh my god. These are beautiful. Absolutely magnificent. Let's see what we got here. Blind Eyes. Let's see what that is. Cara Green. Cara Regine. Wild Lettuce. Cute. Okay. Llamas. Sacred Salt. Yum Yum. That's got definitely calendula. I don't even know what to open first. I don't know. Look at this pretty. Let me see for a second. I'm getting ahead of myself, so just get a closer look at the salt. Okay. And this is the oil. I love the Witch's Moon, and they have like a little formula for all of their boxes. The moon. Looks like it's got jasmine buds in it. And it smells like jasmine. Cool. And let's see. We've got some rope incense, but it doesn't say what scent. Last time I opened one of these, the dust really got me, so I'm just going to hold off on that and read it. It looks like we've got a spray. I really do love the sprays. I usually, or something. Let's see what it is. This thing is all kinds of stuck together. And I don't want to break anything because I have a bad habit of being too rough. Okay, I don't even know what the hell happened here. Oh my god. Okay. Luna Aura Spray. Let me show you. It's got like a pretty Luna and like a frosted glass. And let me smell this. Pretty. It smells kind of musky. Like a perfume that I remember, but there's the top. Ooh, I got it in my, almost like Chanel number 5 maybe. It probably is not that. It just gives me it reminds me of it. Aww. A selenite. Selenite finds its way to me, but I guess that's what happens when you live your life by the moon. Sticking to me. Alright. Wow, this is a fat one. Moon Affirmations. I love these beeswax candles. Let's see here. It's got a sigil. Oh, La Luna. It's beautiful. I love that. I really love that. put her here. Alright. Let's see what my big item is. I'm so excited. I've gone so long without peeking. It helps that I didn't really have any reception at Lake Shasta. So I wasn't super tempted, especially when I was having so much fun with my loved ones. Okay, this is really, oh my god. Believe it or not, this is my very, very first crystal ball. I think it's a selenite ball. Oh my god. Is that what this is for? Oh my god. Wow. Oh, so excited. It's beautiful. Okay. The great cycle of the moon is one of the most reliable forms of assistance we use throughout our daily ritual and craft. As we use the waxing and waning forms of the moon to discard and obtain specific energy, we become aligned with the waves of pure power that she provides. In this extremely special collection, we focus on the witch's most potent tools, formed from lunar magic. Selenite sphere withstand. Wow, look at you. This is big and heavy, and this is just so beautiful. Wow. Working with the moon allows us to take the necessary time for intimate study and action in our energy and spell work. While clearing away emotions and setting concrete intentions during our rituals, we always lean on working with facilitators to the spirit world so that the messages and guidance we receive are impactful and appropriate. We are so thrilled to include a beautiful selenite sphere into the collection for these very reasons. Wow. Amazing. Lunar Blessings pendant and chain. What's this? Luna Aura spray. What is the scent? It doesn't say. It's strong, but pretty. I think I just got too much in my nose. Selenite wand. Moon Magic and the Lunar Phases Book of Shadows artwork. Lunar Moon Affirmation Spell Candle with Affirmation Directory. I'm guessing that that's this wrapped around it. The Moon Magical Anointing Oil, which is jasmine, anise, jasmine, and sandalwood oils with jasmine, lemon balm, and poppy seeds, and a Lumarian quartz. It's also got intention setting magical oil from their personal cabinet. Sandalwood ritual rope. Carrageen, which is iris moss, is a true luck charm. California Blind Eyes is poppy, which I don't think I have. I mean, I have them growing in my yard, but not like this. Wild lettuce or sleepwort. Actually, I do not have any of these herbs. Woo-woo. Selene, Goddess of the Moon. Book of Shadows artwork. Personalized reading from the Magical Spell Cards deck. Ritual Book of Shadows paper. And llama salt. Wow, guys. Wow. It's no secret that I'm a fan of the Witch's Moon, but I'm straight up blown away by this box. It's probably one of my very, very favorite boxes. I really love the Yamaya box too. I don't know. I love a lot of them, but Luna is my favorite. So I'm just blown away. It's my husband's computer. So this has been the Witch's Moon for July 2019. I absolutely flippin' love it. I'm so glad that I did a very good job not peeking because I'm enchanted and blown away. This is an amazing box. You can make it yours for around $54 a month, but in my opinion, it's well worth it. You know, let me know what you think. You can always like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, thank you so much for watching and joining me on this little journey we're going on. Have a good night.